Nice one. All the gondolas are parked. The Grand Canal. Oh, everybody's out there racing. Getting ready for the race at least. So, can any type of boat participate? I see kayaks, I see
Sure, they have
lots of
different
rowing.
classes. Yeah, there's different classes.
Row, row. They're rowing to the beat of a drum. Row, row. That's where we ate yesterday. Okay, hey guys, so we're freshened up. We are on the Norwegian Jade, and I'm currently on our balcony that we have. And the sun is bright. I'm going to show you our room. We got a balcony room, and it's really spacious and very nice. So we knock on the door.
I can get up here.
I flew in.
Oh man.
So here's our room. We got our bed. Got a nice little seating area there. And we've already unpacked, so there's stuff kind of everywhere. Got a TV and everything is pretty much in Italian. We got a nice little makeup area with a mirror. Got our closet and it is full of clothes. Yeah, it is full. Oh yeah, so we were waiting for the life jacket drill. We don't have to bring the life jackets, right? Then we have a safe, all of our clothing. Then we have a fridge that's full of really expensive alcohol and soda and whatever you could possibly want. And then here's our bathroom. Again, everything's unpacked. So we got a sink. The toilet actually has its own little door. I mean, you can see through it and whatnot, but it kind of makes it nice so if someone's using the sink with a shower, they don't have to watch you go into the bathroom. Here's our shower. Also, one thing, if you are ever traveling to Europe or on a cruise, this little mini steamer works wonders. Okay, get yourself one of these. Bed Bath & Beyond, I think it was a little over $20, but because all of our clothes were wrinkly, and so now they're not. They're steamed and nice and flat. So it is something that you should try to bring with you if you ever travel. I'm probably gonna bring that on any trip we go on from now on, because it's just nice to be able to steam out your clothes. But Evan already went to the gym. How was the gym?
Good.
Did you use any of the equipment?
Not too much, just some of the rowing machine.
Oh, you did use the rowing machine. Oh, was it a good one or was it like old and broken?
That's not old.
It's not old and broken? Okay. And while he did that, I showered and washed my hair and got ready to go. Yeah, we got a nice view of the cruise ships and the power plant. Okay, so we are about to go to our drill. Fortunately, we don't have to take our life jackets because that would have been very annoying. What are you doing? He's over here being weird. But anyways, so yeah, this is our room and it's really nice and we're excited for our trip. 11 days. This is home for 11 days. 11 days. Oh yeah, so this just happened. This showed up. What kind of champagne did we get?
Duke de Belmont.
Too bad it's bubbly. I cannot have it. Are you gonna have some?
Not right now.
Oh, okay.
Should I right now?
Probably not.
I can open it up and
let's wait.
Video.
Well,
Try to hit the camera. Isn't there a Disney video where there's like some shooting at you? Be like that.
I don't know. I mean, there's like champagne bottles opening and Be Our Guest, the song in the movie.
What, isn't it? When it's Mickey and Donald Duck and he's in that scene and then at the end of the scene, the champagne bottle.
Yeah, he's in the Be Our Guest scene, yeah. Are you opening it for real?
No.
Oh, okay. I was just preparing myself for a loud pop. Okay, so we are gonna go do the drill. So do we need to go right now? Is that what they're saying in the hallway?
I think so.
Oh, we're gonna go right now, so we're not late. So, okay, the not the fire drill. It's not a fire drill, the evacuating of the boat drill. Does that have a name? Safety drill, whatever, is over, and we are very, very hungry and very thirsty. So we're gonna go get some dinner. This is the dress that I'm wearing. The Nevin looks really fancy too.
Hi.
Looking snazzy today. But yeah, we're gonna go meet his parents at the restaurant that's at the back of the ship. Golden something, I don't know. But it's one of many. Hopefully they're open because we are hungry. And I'm waiting for my 24 water bottles that have not showed up yet.
We're all set.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna go. Okay, Evan's gonna open up our champagne.
You ready for us to go?
I'm ready.
Turn up the hidden
Yeah, don't hit
glass.
anything glass. Wait, let me scoot back here. There we go. Where did it go? I don't know, but you're dripping all over the carpet. Oh my gosh. Dang, that thing had some speed. Man.
Man,
I'm so glad that wasn't... Yeah, I should have done that. You gonna try it? I can smell it.
I smell like champagne for a little while.
That's right, you are.
It's good though.
Is it good? It's not like that Disney champagne that made you sick?
Find this thing. Did you see where it hit?
No.
It was so fast.
Over by the couch, I heard something.
Well, here's a piece of it.
Oh, it's a piece of it.
It's rockets. I could leave a mark. Look at that.
Yeah,
Did
well...
that hit someone? That's not like a cork. That's
metal, yeah, that would hurt. Okay, so we just got done, holy moly, right, with dinner. I had some sort of rotisserie chicken with mashed potatoes. It was fine. It wasn't like delicious, but it was decent for like cruise ship food. Evan had the steak. Babe, was your steak good?
Decent.
It's decent. And now we came back and changed back into our comfy clothes because I couldn't breathe in my dress after eating. I was like, I can't breathe. But now we're gonna go watch the variety show, not vanity show. Variety show at 9 o'clock. It's supposed to be some sort of show on the ship. And
Show about vanity.
Show about vanity. I made up the vanity, it's variety. I used the wrong V word. But anyway, so Evan's drinking his champagne. And all the bubbles. My bubbles. And so yeah, that's it. Kind of a mellow, yes, okay. My bubbles. Mellow kind of night. So yeah. Okay. We got our water. So here's some of it. Each one's a liter, and then there's all the rest of them. You get 24 liters for $45, and then we came back to our room and look at our little doggy. It's like Ellie. Little Ellie's with us. We went to the show. I can see you. It looks like you're over there, but he's not. He's right over here. That's weird. So weird. We went to the show today, and we saw there was like acrobatic people singing with a guitar, and then like this very hyper group singers or whatever. So it was nice. It was a nice little show. And then it's still weirding me out. It feels like there's two of you.
I see 4 or 5.
You see 4? Oh wait, yeah, because you're here too. That was weird. But anyway, so we're gonna go to bed now. It's like 10 o'clock, 10:30. I don't know what time it is, 10 something. But we're gonna try to get up at 6 a.m. That's the goal, to get up at 6 a.m. and do some exercises. Woo. So we'll see if that actually happens. But anyway, so we're gonna say goodnight. It's the end of day 3, 4. Or this technically day 4?
Yes.
End of day 4. Good night.
Oh,